In today's video, we'll go over how to find the update section in your phone on Android so that you can manually update your phone. Now, let's say you've started an update for your phone, but then you've canceled it, and now you don't know where to go to find it. We'll show you how to do just that. So, the first thing that you need to do is you need to open up the Settings tab. In the Settings section, you'll find a bunch of apps, and what you want to click on is the Software Update. Once you do that, you want to click Download and Install. And so here, if there is an update to process, you'll be able to find it here, and then all you got to do is click on Download, and then the update will commence as shown here. So, after following everything, your update will go through, and your phone will be up to date with all the newest features provided by your Samsung. Now, if this video helped you out, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like these. Goodbye.